Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Welcome to Ma'am Shifeli's Garden. If you're a beginner and needs help on caring for your indoor succulents, hopefully this video will help you. You'll need the following: stick, tweezer, scissor, brush, tiny scoop, or you could use your hands, sand or rocks. Removing dead leaves will promote new growth and keep your arrangement healthy. Sanitize your scissor with alcohol to avoid any plant disease. Trimming will maintain the shape and control the size, and most importantly, it will promote new growth and grow your collection. Link above on how to grow your succulent collection. Check your plants for bugs. Catching them early will prevent them from spreading. Link below or above for my succulent pesticide. After 3 months, you'd notice changes in these plants, like the color. Some are stretched out, some are bended. The main reason is because of lack of sunlight. Make sure to place your indoor plants where it gets sun all morning or until noon. You can rotate your plants as often as you can so they get sunlight evenly. Overwatering will kill your plants. Wait until soil is dry before watering. Take note that succulents will survive for a long time without water. It's better to underwater than overwater. You can reuse the cuttings from your arrangement and add some more to fill in the gap. This will make your arrangement fuller. Don't forget to dry your cuttings before planting, at least a day or two, to avoid rotting. Use decorative rocks or sand to achieve that finished look. So here's my newly trimmed succulent arrangement. Thank you for watching.